How to fix Cash App won't let me receive money. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix Cash App won't let me receive money. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile app just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app where you will see different options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on the profile icon. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options that you can use to get access to different features of the app. From them, scroll down until you reach this part of the page. Once you are here, make sure you tap this option here named Limits. After doing that, you will see this page where there are the different limits your Cash App account has. For us, the one we are interested in is the receive limits. As you can see, this is the only amount my account can receive per month. If I exceed this amount, the account will no longer be able to receive payments. So make sure you have not surpassed your limits. Also, make sure you verify your Cash App account so that your limits can be increased. So go ahead and do that. Next, come back to the main profile section once again. After that, make sure you tap on this option named Linked Banks. After doing that, this other page appears that normally shows the cards and banks that are linked to your Cash App account. So go ahead and connect your bank here. If, after doing all that, the issue is still there, then you need to report it to the support team. To do that, come back to the profile page and scroll to the bottom of the page. Next, tap here, Support. Once the page is done loading, then you will see these other options here. From them, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap here, Chat. This is the Cash App feedback section where you are supposed to type a short message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like I am doing here. After that, send them a message and wait. They will respond to you with a solution. That is, how to fix Cash App won't let me receive money.